I'm Dina Weisberg, President and CEO of REDCOM, and we're a 41-year-old company that was started by my family, and we've upheld our tradition of providing reliable and interoperable communications equipment for various markets around the world, including but not limited to civilian and military.
The REDCOM mission goes back to enabling the most important conversations in the world. So that puts a lot of meaning into what we do here in the lab. Validating a piece of equipment that people can trust so that they can focus on those important conversations and not need to worry about the equipment that's carrying it.
The mission to me is it's a responsibility, really, to create quality products. We have a commitment to quality and precision to make those conversations happen.
Everyone takes that to heart. Everyone takes pride in baking that into our products, baking in the quality, baking in that security. It is not only talked about at the beginning of projects, but it's talked about in every conversation and at every meeting. For me, REDCOM's interesting because we're a relatively small group of people, but we're doing big things. The work ethic here at REDCOM is very important. Everyone works very hard at what we do.
The people that I work with and for, I think are great. We got a good group of technicians, engineers. Software engineers are fantastic. Management I really like. I think they do a great job. Personally, I love my job. That's all there is to it. It makes me very happy to work here, and I'm very proud. I'm proud to be a part of the REDCOM family.
So when you think about REDCOM culture, you can't talk about the culture without talking about people. There's two groups of people that work here. And so you have people who have been here for 10, 15, 20, 30, 35 years in some cases. And then you have people who are like me, who have been here for 2, 3, 4 years that are coming in with fresh perspective.
So for the people that have been here for 30 plus years, you've got the culture and the understanding of how REDCOM got to be where we are today. And with the new people coming in, they have all the new tools and techniques and fresh ideas. And the combination, I think, is a very important thing to why we are so successful.
So my perspective of what makes the culture here so special is that it is a family business. It's not only my family business, but we've always treated our employees like extended members of the family. Our support of the individual and our drive to make the individual succeed is what ultimately makes the whole team, meaning the organization, perform at its best.
The current leadership is very much approachable, and that's all the way from the management to the executive level, and it really feels like when you speak with them that they are in fact listening, and that goes a long way.
What's nice is that REDCOM not only enables you to move on and move around and find the things that interest you and advance, they encourage it.
If you want to change what you're doing, if you want to change a procedure, if you think that there is a feature that our customer base needs, you have the power to make that change.
One of the other very exciting things about REDCOM is our customer base is so exciting that sometimes we can't talk about it.
We are at the highest level of government. We're in the military. Los Angeles Fire Department uses us for all their emergency calls. Literally, our government that runs this country is using REDCOM equipment right now. Right this very moment, it's in use. And that's cool.
You really have this sense of pride and sense of ownership because you feel a sense of purpose with what you're doing.
We're one of Rochester's best kept secrets because we tend to not splash ourselves all over the media, but we have a really dynamic, interesting team of people here, and we work on incredibly rewarding projects, and this is definitely becoming one of the hot places to work as we're getting some incredible feedback from our employees.